Hey guys, Jimmy Davis here, and this is some more filler. This is a VEG replace compilation, and if you don't know what a VEG replace is, basically it's in Sony Vegas when you take your main video source and you replace it with another video source. So to give you an idea of what that looks like, I'll throw together a really quick, simple YouTube hoop here using the Faces of Evil cutscenes as the main source, and when I render it, it looks like this.
Gee, Ganon sure sucks.
Okay, now if I replace the Faces of Evil cutscenes with the Wand of Gamelon cutscenes, it looks like this.
Duke Onkled, Horse of
Next.
So as you can see, these types of videos are even more weird and random than regular YouTube poops. So not everybody's necessarily gonna like these types of videos, but I know some people do, including myself. And I've actually wanted to do a VEG replace for a long time, but I've just never known which YouTube poop I should use and what I should replace the main source with. So I came up with this idea that I'm not sure if anybody's done before yet, which is replacing the main source of the YouTube poop with the finished version of that YouTube poop. So I tried that idea out on a few of my different Vegas projects, and I ended up going with these 4 YouTube poops that I have in order of length. First is Rhenk and Litt Can't Justify Calling the Cops. Second is SpacedHipster Creeps Out Mario. Third is the Mythbusters Discover the Penny. And the fourth and last one is Zelda CDI Revisited. And if you haven't seen one or more of these YouTube poops, or if it's just been a while since you've seen them and you've kind of forgotten about them, I'll link to all 4 YouTube poops in the description, as well as a link to a playlist that has all 4 YouTube poops, as well as this compilation video, so you can watch them all in a row if you want to. So anyway, that's all the introduction you really need. I hope you enjoy the video.
911, what is your emergency?
I refused to leave him alone. He was a mass.
Let's talk about what emergency.
Pee on the roof.
See?
The police late 1:30. That's all
Justified.
You gotta. Here's another one.
911, what is your emergency?
Police lack of my cow. And then he tried hoping it would make her into a.
This is tough to defend.
That for the record.
Let's talk about what emergency.
Jella. 911, what is your emergency?
However, Wednesday night. However, police late 1:30. Work of my cow. Giving his wife his jello. His soul.
Sometimes you gotta just.
He shall remain on the back one Thursday night. This man wanted to check out 39-year-old girl. He was a nice man. Remain on the back of my cow.
Justified.
Lee.
I gotta call 911.
Lee.
I gotta call 911.
Freaking.
Justified.
Lots of spots.
Like on top.
Oh no!
Picture that shows. Pick it. No, Dick. Is this a binary Then give so.
No!
Luigi? Supposed to give so.
Good.
Onset. Photograph. Yo, this.
So sad.
Oh.
That door!
I don't blame him. They got a brand. And then. Sweet. However, aside from something like.
Oh no!
Sorry, Luigi. I gotta kill you.
Would you?
Look at this photograph. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Majestic man.
Take note, take note, take note, take note. One, no.
No!
No, Dick. Mario has always been.
Who are the Mythbusters? Imp Savage
Lying, punk, troll.
and Jamie Hyde. Between them, less than 30 seconds of sex experience. Joining them, Grant
Dude, you broke my face! Oh, the pain! It burns!
Between them, less than 30
Off of it.
become
Dude, you broke my
head.
face! Oh, broke my
In Jamie, 30 seconds of sex experience.
Building this high, and that it'll either off of it.
Experience. Grant
Building this high, it'll end.
Between them, less
Is off of a building this height, and somebody's height, or it'll make you die.
well, Adam, take that. Them legs, Grant cover.
They're make it'll.
Will Smith, and a Velociraptor, and a Velociraptor.
Penny for your thoughts right about now. Penny for your thoughts right about now.
Find out what is a penny. Once they've done that, they'll shoot Myth, and a shoot
Off of a building this house, guy is
and Jamie
65 miles.
seconds.
The myth is that if you
Apparently,
that feet of the sky.
I went to college!
Jamie.
Dude,
Hitting the
Thoughts right about now.
dinner, and my ship sails in time.
What a story, Mark.
Thanks!
Want it? It's yours, my friend.
Quick! Get out! Get out of here! This is horrible!
Want it? Yours. Want it? It's yours, my friend. Want it? Do business.
What a story.
Your Majesty seized the
Want it?
island of Corridai. The island. Quick! Get out! This is horrible! The island.
Want it? It's yours, my friend.
Kill the minions that have seized it.
You'll have
You must conquer.
fight.
Thanks!
Yep.
The island seized.
My
The minions. No! Corridai. It is written. Only you. can kill the minions that have seen.
Not Hectan! Let's ships, Bob.
You help. Down for help. On and link to go. I'm going to
the island.
have dinner and my ships dinner and
the minions have seen
and dinner help on and link.
Get out of here! Minions have seen wisdom.
I will.
Minions have seen. Have seen. Have. It is written. Only you, Link, can. What? What? Link? What? Link? What?
No! Not Hectan!
I'm Utah. There is no sauce. Is enough.
What?
What are those? These more stuff.
Made you look.
Thank you.
Oh yeah! News.
I just wonder what gets no. See? Cool! How about a kiss?
You've got to be kidding.
Hey, you've got a flash!
Little Richard.
Of course!
Sorry. It's all.
Tricks are for kids.
Busted.
Ignorance of the law is not an excuse.
Biggest caught.
You'll have to.
Yes. The minions grip. Keep going. Get out of here.
Like
You must conquer.
You're an explode. Oh, kill me! Minions. The Link in the drive. My up.
Link.
Saved your system. Yes.
And I'm going to.
Hey! Oh! Minions corridor.
And
You can make out whenever you want to.
And I'm going to.
Link.
And I'm going to.
Link.
And.
Yes.
And I'm.
Sing.
the dead
That's a jellyfish! What's up?
Link.
I wonder what's for. Doing real well. Oh, now Louis is actually.
You lose.
The state thus have seized the island. It is.
Hey, Bug Eyes.
Sing.
I guess that's worth it. Thanks.
You're an
State to the island.
Oh, that's just wonderful. And what exactly am I supposed to worship now?
You stay to the island. Die.
No!
Look, Link.
I'm.
What's
And I'm.
Oh, make out whenever you want to.
And I'm going to.
Look, Link. So kill. Huh?
I'm going to gamble on...
Have seen.
I'm this to help.
What? You say and what?
I'm going to Gamelon for dinner, and my ship sails in 5.
Get it!
I'm out here in the dark, all alone and wide awake. Come and find me. About to break. Come and find me.
What a story.
Oh no.
Oh man! This is embarrassing.
That's a jellyfish!
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish!
Lamp.
Thank you.
Of course!
Sorry, Link. It's all mine, and you can't.
Of course not! You, Link, are the face of...
Link did.
Oh!
My father is going to Gamelon.
He isn't dead!
Excuse me?
What?